WAGO relays and optocouplers. Long lines for expansive systems. Mains voltage is frequently still used for sensor signals in expansive plants, such as here in this wastewater treatment plant. This voltage is robust against external factors, such as lightning strikes, and provides for secure contact in harsh environments. A coupling relay is used here for galvanic isolation between the field level and the controller. Let's look at an example of fill level measurement at one of the tanks. The switching contact closes, enabling current to flow through the line and relay coil. The flow of current is interrupted when the switching contact opens again. The coupling relay behaves differently on activation and deactivation. Let's take a closer look at this relay behavior in the lab. Initially, nothing happens when you increase the voltage at the relay coil until the switch-on voltage level is reached. The relay contact switches when the switch-on voltage is reached. The typical operating range of the relay when activated is situated between the switch-on voltage and the maximum permissible coil voltage. If the relay coil voltage is then reduced again, the relay contact remains closed until the switch-off voltage is reached. The hysteresis of the magnetic circuit is what prevents the relay contact from switching off when voltage falls below the switch-on voltage level. The range between the switch-on and switch-off voltage must be avoided in actual practice to ensure reliable switching of the contacts. Let's take another look again at the wastewater treatment plant. The fill level sensor closes the electrical circuit to the coupling relay, and the relay contact also closes. Due to the parallel wire arrangement in the control cable, an electrical capacitor is formed parallel to the sensor contact. Now, when the sensor contact opens, capacitive coupling prevents the voltage from falling below the switch-off voltage level, and the relay contact remains closed. The longer the line to the sensor, the greater the capacitance and the voltage coupled across it. The relay then no longer switches off, as the coupled voltage suffices to keep the relay armature at its active position. WAGO has developed specific RC base load modules as a solution for this type of application for suppressing voltage coupling and integrated them into the relay modules. These minimize unwanted voltage with low losses and enable defined switching, ensuring that everything functions error-free, even in expansive systems with long lines. Talk to us. We are always ready to help.